I'm going to show you how to make a half moon a half moon. These are not just hunting tools, but extensions of themselves, the result of time, experience, and a deep bond between humans and nature. Everything moves slowly, as if even the savanna itself is holding its breath, waiting for them to set out.
Ever alert to the slightest movement, they know that in this land, even the smallest patch of grass may conceal a predator.
For the Hadzabe, understanding the habits of the antelope is just as important as drawing the bow. They know when it rests under the midday sun, where it seeks shade, and how it always looks back before grazing. The hunters move slowly, almost soundlessly. As they draw close enough, every motion becomes deliberate and steady. One steps forward while the others spread out, keeping their distance. The decisive moment arrives quietly. No countdown, no command, only the rhythm of a heartbeat and the whisper of the wind. The arrow leaves the string in silence, tracing a line between humanity and the ancient instinct to survive. The antelope reacts swiftly and takes off. The pursuit unfolds calm, patient, and purposeful.